In a rare glimpse, Russian Defense TV revealed the interior of the Alabuga factory, described by its director as the world's largest producer of strike drones. Hundreds of black Jiran 2 drones, Russian versions of the Iranian Shahed 136, were seen lined up in rows. Teenagers are seen assembling parts, programming software, and operating machinery. After finishing 9th grade, at just 15 years old, students are recruited into a nearby technical college run by the factory, where they study drone manufacturing before going to work there. Alabuga's director claimed production has increased ninefold compared to initial plans. Estimates indicate the factory is now building over 3,000 drones per month. Ukraine says it recently shot down its 30,000th Shahed-type drone. More than 500 drones and missiles are regularly fired at Ukraine in nighttime attacks, which is why they are painted black. Some analysts believe Russia is nearing the capability to unleash over 1,000 drones in a single day. These drones can fly over 1,000 miles, and they're cheap to produce, costing between $30,000 to $80,000 per unit. By contrast, taking one down with a Patriot missile can cost over $4 million, or around $500,000 with an Iris-T. But there are more viable options, such as the Skynex system, which can neutralize a target for as little as 4,000 euros. Footage showed drones deployed from the backs of late-model Dodge Ram 1500 pickup trucks, seemingly American-made, raising questions about sanctions evasion. Despite being more than 800 miles from Ukraine, the factory itself has reportedly been targeted by long-range Ukrainian drones. This is an assembly floor for mass drone warfare, with school kids helping run it.